Professional, premium aftermarket replacement. Provides the performance and dependability you expect from ACDelco. Manufactured to meet expectations for fit, form, and function. ACDelco Professional Tail Light Connector is a high-quality aftermarket replacement component for one or more of the following vehicle systems: ignition, starting and charging, body electrical and lighting, and/or engine fuel management. This premium aftermarket connector is manufactured to meet or exceed your expectations for fit, form, and function. Top reviews from the United States. Worked great to fix the loose connector on my 97K1500 rear light. Kept causing intermittent connections and losing the turn signal due to age and wear. This took care of it.